Mobile or desktop? What's better for trading on Expert Option? Let's compare. We'll look at UI, speed, features, workflows, and best use cases side by side. First, mobile. Compact interface, touch charts, simplified order flow for quick trades. Mobile pros, instant access, one-tap trades, push alerts, and easy deposits on the go. Mobile cons, smaller charts, fewer indicators, and limited multi-window workflow for complex setups. Best mobile use, monitoring positions, quick reactions, and trading while commuting or away. Now desktop, expansive charts, advanced indicators, multi-panel layouts, and precise controls. Desktop pros, deeper analysis, faster charting tools, keyboard shortcuts, and multiple markets at once. Desktop cons, less portable, needs setup, and not ideal for spontaneous trades while away. Workflows compared, mobile prioritizes speed and simplicity, desktop prioritizes depth and multitasking. Which to choose? Mobile for quick entries and alerts, desktop for research and active management. Quick tip, practice on both platforms, match tools to your goals, and trade responsibly.